Hey everyone, Chris here again. Listen, I had a question from a customer. Some of the people wanted to know, how do you attach this loop to a zipper without untying it? Now, for people that are used to tying knots a lot, that may be easy for you, but if you've never seen it before, how it's done, it's not that difficult. Now, basically, when you have a regular size zipper or something like this, it's easy, well, not easy with one hand, to fit the cord through a zipper, and then you just pull the loop over. But if you have a smaller zipper, like over here, what I do, this is a piece of wire. You can do this with dental floss, a wire, a smaller piece of string, and this piece of wire actually I pulled, it was a twisty tie. So I'm going to use this to thread through the smaller hole. And granted, I'm working with one hand with this in my lap, so it's a little difficult. So as you can see, I'm looping that through there to get this through the smaller hole. So once you're through that smaller hole, you're all set. You take the wire off, and this part I could do with one hand. Just pull the bead all the way to the zipper. You bring the bead through the loop, and then you pull straight down. Well, it's caught up there. You pull straight down like this until this stops, and then you end up with that. So that's it. So that's your zipper pull for a jacket, a duffel bag, a backpack. It makes it easier to grab with gloves. It's decorative. It's whatever you want to put it on. Okie dokie. So just the easy way to loop that onto a zipper and utilize your beads from Fiddlebone. So go to fiddlebone.com, check out the beads and stuff on the site. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.